Welcome to Panakallu Lessons. Today I am going to discuss about the parts of speech in English grammar. Parts of speech. Speech means if we want to speak something, we must follow some terms and conditions and rules and regulations by speaking. To follow the rules and regulations, we must know the parts, means tools of that speech. What are the tools of the speech? Parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? 8 parts. 8 parts of speech are there in English grammar. And words are divided into 8 kinds according to their use, while using, how to use them, and these kinds are called parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? 8. What are they? They are noun, pronoun, and verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, not conjunction, conjunction. So many people, they used to pronounce it as conjunction, not conjunction. Conjunction. Junction means combines. Railway junction means all so many trains come and leave the platforms from there. So that is the junction. Conjunction. Interjection means in Telugu avyayamu. Interjection means in English interjection, in Telugu avyayamu. భాషా భాగాల్లో నామవాచకము, సర్వనామము. సర్వనామం అంటే ప్రొనౌన్, నామవాచకం అంటే నౌన్, క్రియ verb, విశేషణం adjective, and అవ్యయము interjection. So these are the parts of speech in English. Now how to use and the examples of each and every part of speech we have to learn in this video. Okay, noun. What is a noun? Noun is the names of all the people, persons, animals, places, things. All the names are nouns only. And a pronoun, which is used in the place of noun. Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of noun. It is a pronoun. So, and third one, verb. Verb means work, what the person does. Verb. Kriya, in Telugu kriya. Read, write, go, come, tell, take, eat, sleep. All these are verbs only, but in different way we use them. And adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective means it tells about the nouns or pronouns. It describes about the nouns or pronouns. Means in Telugu విశేషణము. విశేషణము అంటే ఏంటి? గుణమును తెలిపేది. గుణము అంటే ఏంటి? బాలుడు మంచివాడు. వాడి గుణం ఏంటి? మంచితనం. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ adjective means in English, he is a good boy. What is his quality? Goodness. Goodness is his quality. The wall is white. What is the wall's quality here? White. White also adjective. He is running. He is a fast runner. He is a fast runner. What kind of runner he is? Fast. Means what is his quality? Fast. That is why adjective is it tells the quality of the people or things or animals or anything. It tells about the quality. So it is an adjective. Adverb, which modifies the adjective, or the verb or another adverb. For example, the boy is clever. The boy is clever. Clever is an adjective. He did all the sums very cleverly. Cleverly. Clever, we are adding ly. So that is an adverb. When an adjective or verb is added or followed by ly is called an adverb. Adverbs, what is the quality of adverb? It modifies. It tells more than that, more than his quality, and it modifies the adjective or verb or another adverb. It is an adverb. Preposition. What is a preposition? Means it tells the position of a noun, two nouns or two pronouns. It tells the position of two nouns or two pronouns. For example, here is a book and here is a table. So we put that book here on the table. So how do you say that? The book is, where is the book? Somebody asked you. How do you answer? The book is on the table. So table also noun, book also noun. On, preposition tells the position of the book. Where is that? So this is the quality of the preposition. On, in, of, by, yet, okay, below, between, among, along, across. For example, the bridge is built on the river, across the river, which is right. The bridge is built across the river, on the river. The book is on the table because the book does not move. The book does not move. But water moves. That is why we should not use on. Across the river. The bridge is built across the river. Okay. We are walking on the road. It is wrong. We are walking along the road, not on the road. On the road means we should not move. But if we are walking along the road, we should use the preposition there, along, not on. Like that, the uses of prepositions also I will discuss in the coming videos. Don't worry. Conjunction. Next one, conjunction. Conjunction. Junction means it combines two nouns or two pronouns. Hari came to school. Gopal came to school. How do you combine the two sentences? Hari and Gopal came to school. Hari and Gopal came to school. He is very poor. He helps the poor. He is very poor, but he helps the poor. But also conjunction. And also conjunction. As well as also conjunction. No sooner also conjunction. Okay. So, as, so that not. These are all the conjunctions. It combines the two nouns or two pronouns or two sentences, whatever it is. Interjection. interjection is in Telugu avyayamu. In Telugu, how do the definition will be? లింగ వచన విభక్తులు లేనిదే అవ్యయము. లింగం అంటే పుంలింగం కానీ స్త్రీలింగం కానీ ఉండవు దానికి. తర్వాత వచనం ఉండదు, ఏకవచనం కానీ బహువచనం కానీ ఉండవు, విభక్తులు ఉండవు, డుమోవులు అంటే ప్రిపోజిషన్స్. విభక్తులు అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లో ప్రిపోజిషన్స్, తెలుగులో విభక్తులు, ఇంగ్లీష్లో ప్రిపోజిషన్స్. కాబట్టి తెలుగులో లు, కీ, కు యొక్క లోపల షష్ఠీ విభక్తి. కీ కు అంటే టూ అని అర్థం మనకి ఇంగ్లీష్లో, కాబట్టి అది ప్రిపోజిషన్. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఈ అవ్యయానికి అటువంటి లింగ వచన విభక్తులు ఏమీ ఉండవు. అలాగే ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్సో ఇంటర్జెక్షన్. ఇంటర్జెక్షన్ మీన్స్ సడన్ ఫీలింగ్ ఓన్లీ. ఓ, ఆ, alas, hooray, aha, oho, all these interjections. So these are the history of parts of speech. I will give you now some examples also to each and every part of speech. Noun examples: Rama, Sita, cow, Guntur, and so on. Pronoun: he, she, it, they, and so on. Verb: do, eat, run, see, and so on. Adjective: tall, white, healthy, and so on. Adverb: quietly, slowly, and so on. Preposition: in, on, at, by, of, to. Conjunction: and, but, as, so, and so on. Interjection: oh, or, hooray, and so on. Yes, this is today I end here Kanakollu classes. Tomorrow in the next video I will discuss about the other examples and how to use them. Usage of parts of speech. Thank you.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ కూడా నొక్కండి. దాని ద్వారా మేము చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో యొక్క నోటిఫికేషన్ మీకు వస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ కానుకొల్లు క్లాసెస్.